Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Much to the relief of most Niger Deltans, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) now has a substantive board to pilot its affairs. Serving in the capacity of Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer on the NDDC board is Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, who is saddled with the responsibility of overseeing operations of the commission. Up next is a profile of the man who has the onerous task of implementing policies to accelerate the pace of development in the Niger Delta and dousing tension in the region within a short period of time.
Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, is a man of many parts. He is a Niger Delta activist, traditional ruler, an entrepreneur and politician. His recent appointment has been greeted with remarkable enthusiasm, particularly amongst the youthful population in the Niger Delta, which regards Dr. Ogbuku as one of its own. Dr. Ogbuku, who hails from AKUGHA town in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa State, was born on the 19th of August 1975. He acquired his elementary education at Christ the King School, Orominike, D-Line, Port Harcourt, and proceeded to Government Secondary School, GSS Borokiri, Port Harcourt, where he obtained his West African School certificate in 1993. In pursuit of higher education, Dr. Ogbuku secured admission into the University of Port Harcourt, where he bagged a Bachelor of Science in Political Science and Administrative Studies in 2000. As an undergraduate student, he was fully involved in student union activities in preparation for future public engagements. As a young man, he had been influenced by the ideals of icons who pioneered the Niger Delta struggle and decided to participate in activities of the Ijaw Youth Council (IYC). Owing to his vibrancy, Dr. Ogbuku was appointed Public Relations Officer of the IYC Central Zone. Earlier in life, the NDDC boss saw the need to approach the Niger Delta struggle intellectually and decided to advance his educational career. Consequently, he had returned to the University of Port Harcourt, his alma mater, where he bagged a postgraduate diploma in sociology, industrial relations, and personnel management in 2002. Driven by the passion for knowledge, Dr. Ogbuku went further to obtain a Master of Science in Political Science and Administration with a specialization in Development Studies. He had gone the whole hog in his academic pursuit when in 2021 he was awarded a Doctor of Philosophy in Political Science and Administrative Studies, majoring in Development Studies. Dr. Ogbuku, a deputy paramount ruler of AKUGHA town in Ogbuku local government area of Bayelsa State, had served as Chief of Staff in Government House, Yenegua, between 2007 and 2012. Until his appointment, he was an entrepreneur with interest in commercial agriculture. Dr. Ogbuku assumes office as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC with deep wells of resources dwelling inside of him. Those who know him very well have expressed absolute confidence in his ability to reinvent the processes of the Commission and reposition it for the optimal performance in line with the wishes of President Muhammadu Buhari and the aspirations of the generality of Niger Deltans with the limited time at his disposal. By his training, Dr. Ogbuku is equipped with requisite skills for managing and transforming conflict in the Niger Delta region. His background in development studies is also an invaluable asset that can easily be deployed to bring about a more holistic approach to solving the problem of underdevelopment plaguing communities in the Niger Delta region. Over the years, the NDDC has had to contend with undue political interference and the volatile nature of the Niger Delta in carrying out its statutory obligation to largely backward communities in the region. It is the expectation of most Niger Deltans, notably youths in the region, that Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, current Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, and his team are given a breathing space to carry out their all-important assignment of aiding development in Nigeria's beleaguered Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,